Hi, I'm Laura Jones. I'm a lecturer in fashion at Plymouth College of Art. This year we asked the students to get together in small groups and come up with a fashion business startup, and then they had to pitch that idea to a panel of industry experts in a Dragon's Den style environment, and the winning idea then got taken forward and the whole group came behind it.
The idea behind Skint is that it is a brand that is designed to be affordable yet stylish for young people such as students, hence the funky name Skint.
To me, our Skint ethos is very much about having an affordable but sustainable brand which is accessible for students in terms of price point.
We've worked towards creating a memorable aesthetic through our colour palette and our designs, and we're taking this to our social media account. Alongside that, we're also showing the production process, printing the products through our screen printing workshops, sewing labs, creating promotional material to really show that this is a student-led brand.
Design-wise, we are really focusing on creating a really inclusive line with relatable concepts that all students can relate to. We have a huge range of sizes, and we're really focusing on being more of a community than just a brand.